Generative AI can feel smart, fast, even objective. But here's the truth, it's not neutral. Welcome to Understanding Gen AI Bias. AI is trained on human-created data, and that means it can reflect human bias, sometimes subtly, sometimes clearly. Bias in AI might show up as stereotypes, missing perspectives, overly one-sided answers. And the tricky part, it often sounds completely reasonable. To understand AI bias, you need to understand how these tools learn. Generative AI is trained on enormous amounts of text, images, and data scraped from the internet, books, articles, and other sources. It learns by spotting patterns within all of that material. Here's the catch. The internet and human-made content are not perfectly balanced or perfectly fair. They reflect the world as it is. And the world has a lot of old stereotypes baked into it. If most of the doctor photos online show men, the AI learns doctor equals man. If most of the information about history is written from one country's perspective, the AI absorbs that perspective. If certain languages, cultures, or communities have less content online, the AI knows less about them and may describe them in shallow or inaccurate ways. So AI bias isn't usually because someone programmed the AI to be prejudiced. It's more like the AI is a sponge that soaks up whatever it's dunked into, and the water it's dunked into isn't always clean. You can't switch bias off, but you can get clever about it. Here's how to notice the default. When an AI gives you a person or an example or a description, ask yourself, who did it picture? What did it assume? If you ask for a story about a hero, did it automatically make the hero male? Spotting the default is the first step to questioning it. Ask it to try again differently. One of the easiest fixes is to push back. And if the AI gave you a narrow answer, ask, can you show me this information from a different perspective? Can you give me an example of other cultures? What would this look like if the main character were a girl? The AI is usually happy to rethink. It just didn't think of it the first time. Check whose voice is missing. If an AI is telling you about an event, a debate, or a group of people, ask yourself, whose side is it telling this from? Who might have a different view? Real understanding usually comes from hearing more than one voice. This is the key. AI doesn't decide what's fair or balanced. You do. In an AI-powered world, critical thinkers matter more than ever. Don't just accept the first answer. Interrogate it, improve it, because AI reflects the world as it is, but you have the power to shape what it could be.